Dude, he was so close. Fucking slamming a car, I promise. Do you want to race? You want to race? Haha! I won! I won, guys! Have a good day! Hey yo, what is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back! We out here with a group. We got Matt on the RS660. We got Cameron on the brand new 2025 Daytona 660. R1? Hell yeah. You ready? Hell yeah! It's back! Come on! Oh, dude, I'm fucking bitches. Hi! Hi! How are ya? Hey, guys! Dude, she's humongous! I remember when you were this big. Shuffle liked songs on Spotify.
Your liked songs now shuffling on Spotify.
Cause I life, yeah, dying hard, better die. Ooh, babe, die, better die. Oh my god. Holy shit. Look at this guy. Wow, this guy's a maniac, dude. Maniac, that's crazy.
God damn, look at all this traffic.
Oh, there's a cop, there's a cop, there's a cop, there's a cop, there's a cop. Chill. I'm not doing nothing. Woo! Woo! Yo!
Look at Cameron's dumbass. Damn, Tyler, your back is white, boy.
Hey, shut the fuck up, dude.
Ah, it's fucking funny.
Let me shove it in my fucking asshole.
Don't look at me. Don't look at me. What's Cameron doing?
I don't know, maybe he's talking to women.
I'm gonna kick him in the ass. Yeah, he's trying to talk to a white bitch.
He does not want anything to do with us.
What the fuck is that?
Oh, dude, I feel water. What is that? It's this.
What the fuck is that coming out of the truck?
Dude, water.
Bro, if that's water, I want that bitch to spray me right now. If that is clean water, I want that all over me. Oh, dude, it's still so fucking good.
Thank you. This is actually so nice. Oh, God. Thanks. This is great, actually.
Oh, my God. Yeah, baby. No, I'm not gonna lie. I think I can see part of the face smash.
You can see what?
I think I might see a little bit of cheek.
Oh, right here?
He turned for that booty. It's fucking windy. Oh, fucking hell. God damn, why is everyone braking so fucking hard?
Oh my god, the brake lights are just everywhere.
Out of my way, asshole. I don't know. I knew the interstate was a bad idea. Dude, y'all are weaving in and out like a bunch of motherfuckers.
Dude, we actually are.
I'm coming.
What's up, dude?
Oh, I can see you motherfuckers. I am riding so aggressively. I still can't catch up with you guys.
Dude, he was so close.
What to what?
Fucking slamming a car, I promise.
Cam?
Yeah.
Dude, my thighs are cooking.
It's fucking hot, bruh.
I know. Oh, dude, the shade from the bridge felt so good. For fuck's sakes, people, quit braking and just go, please.
You're so angry.
Oh, cause I'm fucking stuck because everyone's bumping to. Oh, you know what? Fuck that shit. Fuck you people. I'm just going through all you people. I don't care anymore. Where y'all at? I don't know what's pissing me off more, all the cars or the fact that y'all keep fucking taking off.
Sorry, Matt.
I know it's not you. It's the dumb fucks you're riding with. Oh, there's a stalled vehicle. Oh, there's Eli. Bye, Eli. Bye, Eli. I just passed Eli.
There.
Oh, state trooper, state trooper.
Like, way back there with you guys?
Yeah, I think that might be why Eli wasn't doing anything.
Pull over? Yeah. Whew. This is so fun. Alright, they're back there. We're all the way at the front. They're getting on it now.
I am. I don't know where Eli is. Where the fuck is he at? I'm gonna beat him up.
Hey! Where's Eli?
Alright, get in front of these cars. We gotta go right.
Hey guys! Hey!
Yeah, man, I'll dab you up.
Dab me up, cuz? Yeah! Give me some, give me some! Yeah! Give me some! Hell yeah, give me some, give me some! Yep, yep! Give me some! Yep! Ah! Ah! Go! Go! Help me, man! Damn it! Do you want to race? You want to race? Haha! I won! I won, guys! Have a good day!
I'm fucking hot as shit. I'm hot as shit,
I'm
dude.
hot as shit, I'm hot as shit.
Oh, fuck my balls. Oh, damn, she got some titties. Oh. Get me out of this.
Ugh.
Dude, she got some titties. God damn.
Holy shit. Dude, can I say, that shit, so fun. There was one time I thought you were gonna die. I just see you go off and you're... And I'm like, Cameron's dead, 2025 bike on the ground, first day, GG's.
Already my freaking key.
Yeah, make sure you grab your key.
Thanks, dude. You're so nice.
You might need that.
I will need that.
I mean, you can always just like walk it home.